dare you pulled the fire alarm. That's it. You are so suspended for 6 weeks. Go home now while I call your parents.
Banana Bro, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 6 weeks. That's it. You're grounded for 6 weeks. Go to bed now.